Hello students. Now we are going to start new subject economics, but it is not new for you because you have learned this subject in ninth and 10th. But believe me, it is totally different what you have learned in ninth and 10th. So start from the word economics. Economics word derived from Greek language oikonomia, and which means household things. Household things means the things which you use in your house for your daily consumption. It is every things. Professor Samuelson told that the economics is the queen of social science. It means economics is a part of social science according to Professor Samuelson. But Adam Smith, he was the first man who said that economics is totally different from social science. It means economics is not the part of social science. In 1776, Professor Adam Smith told economics is the science of wealth. He is the first person who related the economics with wealth. And according to Professor Smith, uh, there are bases of economic structure, or we can say two major important concepts are of economics, which are resources are scarce. Scarce is new word maybe for you, which means limited. It means we have scarce resources and wants are unlimited for us. Now we can understand these two terms with one example. For example, it is your birthday and you are wishing to spend um, you are wishing to spend your birthday time with your friends, and you want to go for a movie, you want to purchase a dress, you want to go for dinner with your friends, with your special friends, and of course you want to give a birthday party. So overall you estimated that there will be 5,000 minimum expenses of your birthday. But in morning when you wake up, your parents give you 2000 rupee. Now resources are scarce. You can see that you have only scarce resources, but you have unlimited wants. Unlimited wants means you want a dress, you want to go for a movie with your friends, you want a dinner or in a good hotel or good restaurant. So overall you are expecting 5000 but you get only 2000. So somehow you have to reduce your expenses, or we can say you have to uh, eliminate some item or some wishes or some wants. You have to eliminate your dress, maybe your birthday party, um, which you are giving in a restaurant, or maybe for a plan of movie. So somehow you have to eliminate your wants. So economics says that we have scarce resources and wants are unlimited, and what we do, we use our scarce resources to fulfill our wants, but all wants cannot be fulfilled. So what we do, we fulfill our wants which are on the basis of priority. The society uses scarce resources economically to produce goods and services and fulfill his needs through them, which means uh, our society use all the resources and produce goods and services. Of course, production manager or producing units produce goods and services, so we can get goods and services time to time, but they have scarce resources. And of course, these two are called economic problems too. Resources are scarce and wants are unlimited. Now, what is economics? The important question. Still, uh, after learning one page of economics, still we are not able to give the answer what is economics. So for that, we have to learn some more things uh, before we start the before we give the answer what is economics. Let's divide the economics into two parts. Then we will give the answer of economics. So there are two parts of economics. One is microeconomics and another one is macroeconomics. Micro means small unit. Macro means large area. So here microeconomics deals with an individual consumer, means one consumer, one producer, one firm, one industry, one market. Now, many students became confused what is the difference between firm and industry. So, we can take example and understand what is firm and what is industry. Let's take an example of soap industry. So, this is industry, and Dove is a firm, Lifebuoy is a firm, Dettol is a firm. So these are called firm, and uh, so it was the difference between industry and firm, and market too, individual market, one market only. So microeconomics deals with only one unit, whether it is consumer, producer, firm, industry, or market, and macroeconomic deals with the issue of uh, economic issues at the level of economy as a whole. Economy as a whole means one country, or national income for a country, or uh, monetary policy, fiscal policy. Maybe these terms are new for you, but soon we will understand. So it was the introduction of microeconomics and macroeconomics, and now we can give the answer what is economics. Huh. Economics deals with limited resources, are rationally managed because we have limited resources. Uh, you can imagine every situation, and you will find that somehow you have limited resources and you have to manage rationally at micro level as well as at macro level. Doesn't matter you're working at micro level or you are working at macro level, but you have to use resources, limited resources, rationally. Okay, so this is economics.